Oh, that smells amazing.
Oh, look who made this.
It's perfect. Come on, let's taste it.
Today, I'm going to cook some delicious salted egg porridge. Give me a kilo of the best rice, please. Yes, ma'am, right away. Thank you so much. These eggs are so uniform and delicious. Chú cho cháu 300 gram thịt nạc nhé.
Dạ.
Rồi, đợi chú một lát. Adding a little more onion and ginger will make it more fragrant. I have all the ingredients now. The herbs are so green. They look so fresh and beautiful. Let's go home. Mọi thứ đã sẵn sàng. Let's start cooking. These are all the ingredients. Good rice will make the porridge more fragrant. Wash very gently to preserve the sweetness. The rice is clean now. Let's start cooking. Let's start cooking. The broth will make the porridge more flavorful. Keep the fire low. Wait for the porridge to boil.
Ginger makes the porridge more fragrant.
A little onion would look nice. Prepare the garnish.
The meat is so fresh.
Slice it evenly. Marinate for about 15 minutes. The aroma will be more appealing. It's seasoned. The salted eggs are so beautiful. The yolk is so rich. Preparing for each step. The yolks will dissolve evenly. The porridge is starting to expand. Don't let the porridge burn. The porridge will be clearer. Cooking slowly will make it taste better. It smells so good. The meat will cook until tender. Don't let it clump. Wait a little longer. This is the secret to creating a rich, creamy flavor.
That color is beautiful.
Adding richness. Season it to taste. The pepper smells so good. Season it perfectly. The porridge is very thick.
Boring.
But it's perfect.
It's ready.
The green is so beautiful. It smells so good. The aroma spreads. It's perfect. Ready to ladle the porridge. The porridge is so smooth. Very appealing. A little spicy and fragrant. Oh. Just perfect. The dish is ready. It looks nicer. Mom. Get ready to enjoy. Details create subtlety. The light is so beautiful. It smells so good. Perfect consistency. Smooth and glossy. The yolk is so rich and creamy. The aroma spreads. Please, everyone. Delicious. This is truly wonderful. The salted egg porridge is ready.
Thank you. It looks delicious.
Come, let's eat. It's tidy now. The porridge is ready. Let's all eat.
Let's all enjoy our meal.
The porridge is still hot. Everyone eat it right away. One bowl each, please.
Thank you so much.
You're very welcome, Grandpa.
It looks delicious.
It smells so good and tastes just right.
I love this. Me too, it's so good.
Eat some more egg, son.
It's delicious.
This is delicious.
Enjoy your meal, everyone. The taste of home is still the same as before.
Yes, it truly is.
It looks delicious.
Yes, it does.
You did a great job. It's so delicious, Mommy.
Rich and flavorful.
Have some more scallions, Grandpa.
Thank you, my dear. Seeing you all eat makes me happy.
Eat slowly, child.
Okay, Grandma.
That's it.
Today is so happy.
Yes, it truly is.
We're so lucky to be together.
To family.
Xin mời mọi người uống trà.
The meal was wonderful.
It truly was.
Mommy, will you cook again tomorrow?
Yes, sweetie, of course I will.
What a peaceful moment.
Yes.
Yes, absolutely. It truly is.
Grandma, eat a little more. Thank you, my dear.
Your cooking is getting better and better.
Thank you, Grandma.
Let me clear them.
Thank you.
It's more fun doing it together.
Yes, it goes by so quickly with all of us.
Thanks for helping out, everyone.
Nothing is more precious than a family meal carried.
Delicious food starts with simple things.
See you at the next meal.